Happy Meal today. I trade APCs. Here's my collection. And I got some new ones in the mail today, so I'm gonna open them up. I covered up their address for you. But let's see what these artists brought me. Oh, look at that one. Okay. Take the little tape off. I think this one has to go in my new one. I filled up this book. It will go right here. Yay. Oh, cute card. Oh yes, it's the unicorn. Such a lovely unicorn it is too. I don't know if I can get it off. There we go. Oh, I kind of bent it. Okay. She goes right here. Oh wait, do I have a unicorn page? I do. Unicorns. She looks good with it. Okay, what's next? Ooh. I think if I cut this side, I can get it out easy. Oh, that's an extra one. I wanted this one, I got this one, a bonus. RAK, Random Act of Kind. Alaska Night. Oh, isn't that pretty? Okay. This is horizontal, so that's why I didn't put it there. Okay, another one. Happy Mail. I like that. Oh, that's pretty. I love the rainbows. I'm gonna save that. Ooh, stuff coming out of here. Look at that. Cool, cool, cool. This is the extra. Here's the card. It's actually on a playing card. That's common. Isn't that cool? I like that abstract tree. There we go. Oh, here's some holographic fish. Doo -doo -doo, doo -doo 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 -doo. Save those. Oh, there's a little stamp. Energy awareness. This one's all taped up, so we're gonna have to perform surgery here. All right. Oh yes, Janet's a beautiful artist, and I love plants, so love it, love it. Going right in there. That was the Happy Mail. I also got this book in the mail. So excited because I love this artist. I follow her blog, Julia Faith Ann Bowser. I don't know, I probably butchered that. But I love her blog. And she does stamp carving like I do. And then she also does gel printing like I do. So I got her book for myself, but also to support her. Look at that, how fun. She's good at this. Oh, I can't wait. I'm gonna just have to sit with this weekend and some coffee. So fun. I also got this big box. I already know what it is. It's glass. I'd inquired in one of my groups about glass to go below my gel plate, my larger gel plates. And after much discussion, I settled on this. Oh, coming up. It's sliding out. So it's just a big piece of glass for cutting things, but I'm gonna put my gel plate, my 8x10 on there. So let's see. Let's move this stuff. That's nice. Okay. Don't want to scratch it. There we go. I like the grid on there. The back is just white. It's like the vinyl for the grid. Oh, that rubber clip came off. Good to know. Move, make it a flatter surface. Move these out of the way. It's a good workspace. Just wondering about that being raised with these. I think it'll be okay. Let's try a gel plate. Where are my gel plates? Here's my 8x10. It's got plastic on both sides. So this is the side I want down. Whew. And then I don't know if I care to line it up, but I'm going to. That will be fun. What is that? We'll see how it goes.